I am.
Yeah.
How about you?
Fine. Looking forward to it.
I'm so excited.
What brings you out today?
My son lied to me. He said
I
he's
helped
coming
him
down
lie.
here to watch it. 826 Texas come in. I said, oh, that'd be cool. So here we are. She
Yeah.
knew all along a month ago.
Oh man. Well,
I
hey.
didn't know about this part though. I didn't know I was going to get roped into it.
Oh, the
Yeah.
dad string that on you?
Yeah, he's like, oh, by the way, you're both going.
That's awesome. I couldn't have picked a better day to go 2 miles up in the beautiful blue sky.
It's beautiful.
Free fall for a mile at 120 miles per hour.
Here I'd be on my bike.
Yeah.
Probably same thing, 120 mile per hour, maybe.
And open up and fly that parachute around for a little bit. All right, guys. Hey,
So excited.
go burn some holes to the sky.
All right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
People do this 1,000 times.
Look up there in front of you. You see her in free fall? There's her parachute coming
Oh,
off.
crap.
Those parachutes work.
Oh, she's a...
Nice job, Henry.
Yeah. Like I said, I can see why people do this 1,000 times. One time is not enough.
Well, Henry, you're flying a parachute right now. 3,000 feet over I-55.
We still gotta come in and land upwind, don't we?
Yes, sir. That's it. We're upwind of our target right now, so we're gonna fly that way in a minute. You wanna have a little bit more fun now?
Sure.
Put your left arm up all the way first. Let it up. Okay, like that. Right arm down as hard as you can and hold it. Here we go! A little bit of a roller coaster ride there.
I'm glad I didn't eat a lot this morning.
Look over at the camera and take a picture. Yeah!
Hello.
All right, fly us back towards the airport again now. Downwind for a minute. You're a skydiver, Henry. You just jumped from up there.
I was looking at Annie. Hi, that was cool. Lisa, that was neat. I'm gonna have to make sure the boys get to do it now.
Right? Yeah. Everybody's got to try that at least once, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Did you have a favorite part out of the whole thing?
Controlling the chute.
Yeah.
That reminds me of my son. He's on the paramotor.
Yeah.
Hey, she made it down too.
Well, hey, thank you for jumping at Skydive St. Louis today, Henry.
Excellent, 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 excellent instructors, excellent flight. I strongly recommend it.
Thank you, thank you.